Alright guys, want to show you the progress of the DIY basement. Just about have things finished up here. As you can see, we have the carpet installed now. We subbed that out to Home Depot, and the guys installed it a few days ago. They did a nice job. Very pleased with it. Have memory foam underneath there, so very soft and looks good. We worked on the hallway here during our Christmas break in 2017. We trimmed and painted and did some work on the walls and so forth. Worked on the banister, sanded that, gave it 3 coats of poly. The floor was done over Thanksgiving break of 2017, about a month before. I've been holding off on putting out this video until the stairs were done and carpeted. So now we're pretty pleased with the progress here. We still have to get organized. That's our biggest step next, is to build shelves and figure out what's going where, and just to get organized down here. Now, I just want to mention to you that we did the basement project over the last several years. It's been a 2-year process. We just worked on and off whenever we had time, school breaks and so forth. I'm also giving away solar panels you'll see coming up here in this shot. This is a Renogy 50 watt, so like, subscribe, leave a comment, share. Check out my giveaway video, previous video to this one. Hopefully one of you guys will win that. We did most of the painting downstairs here during our winter break of 2017. Also tried to involve family as much as possible. We have a previous video on that. And we have some decorations on the ceiling for my daughter. Those are Christmas decorations. We need to take those down pretty soon, but they're up for now. So again, guys, thanks for watching this video here. Lots of work done here. Lots of progress made in the last couple months. We're feeling pretty good about things here. The baseboards came out really well. Very pleased with that. Have to say that our basement has been through 2 floods. So one of our previous DIY projects was putting a sump pump in, and now the basement has been dry for 3 years. So after going 3 years, we figured that we're in pretty good shape, so we decided to finish up things here and finish our basement. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, share. Thanks for being a part of this journey with us, and we'll have more videos to come. Take care.